Alright, Tubers, here we have this Fasco Charleston at 38 inch. I picked this up for my friend Matthew. This fan's in pretty good shape actually. It's no scratches, the paint's in decent shape, it's got the switch cap, campy, even has a mounting bracket. Let's see if we can look at the tag. As you can see on the motor it says 1985. So there's your tag. So, well, she runs good. Let's go put her low. Low speed, you're only drawing 0.1 amp. 1.14. So, very low amperage on these things. These use a stack motor, Fascos. I don't mind Fascos, but the only one I really want is the World's Fair. I could have picked up a 38 inch one, but it was, I think it was brass. I don't care much for brass. So I kind of let it go by, unfortunately. But, yep. So there's low. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Medium, we're drawing 0.33. These fans are unique because they, believe still use resistors instead of capacitors for the speeds. Let's go ahead and go to high. High speed, we're drawing 0.45, so less than half an amp. Moving a very good amount of air, actually. You can hear the bearings are in good shape. I believe this one's a second generation. If I'm correct. First generation, I believe, had the wider vents. So yeah, very good runner. Let's go ahead and spin down. There were two other ones that are bigger. They were white and brass. If you saw my Habitat video, you would have seen them. I don't get the bigger ones because the 52-inch ones are very common. And I've got white and brass ones and I don't care for them. I've tried selling them, they don't sell. So I know the smaller ones are harder to find, so I know people are interested in the smaller ones. And I believe the 5-blade ones people like a lot. The 4-blade Charlestons are all over the place. It's Florida. Same thing for originals. Originals are all over the place. That's why I find so many. Very good spin down. Very good bearings. When I first put it up, it was vibrating horribly, and it was just because the flywheel was rubbing against the switch housing. I put a little bit of WD-40 white lithium in there, and it stopped right away. So. Very good bearings, very good spin down. Thanks for watching.